Hello everyone, welcome back. In this part, I am going to discuss problem based on rational number. Now, one thing you need to remember, while solving the problem, we are going to use appropriate properties of rational number. We learned about the closure property, associative property, commutative property, additive identity or existence of identity element and inverse element. So using this concept, we are going to solve this problem. So let us begin with first problem. Add each pair of rational numbers given below and show that their addition or sum is also a rational number. Now we need to add. Clearly it is mentioned that add each pair of rational number. That means we need to add these two given below and so that their addition or sum is also a rational number. Can you identify the properties which we need to verify? We need to verify here closure property. What is closure property? Addition of two rational number is also a rational number. So let us begin. So first we write 6 by 11 plus of minus 9 by 11. So here we are applying the condition. We need to add, so we write first rational number plus of minus rational number. So this is equal to 6 by 11 plus minus 9 by 11. Now LCM is 11, LCM is 11. So numerator is 6 minus 9, that is equal to minus 3 by 11. Now one thing you need to remember, children, that whenever denominators are equal, you need to add or subtract the numerator. So it is simply 6 minus 9, 6 minus 9 is equal to minus 3 by 11. Moving into the next problem, it is given minus 2 and 2 by 5. So this can be written as minus 2 plus 2 by 5. So minus 2 can be written as minus 2 by 1. Now LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. 5 divided by 1 is 5 multiplied by 2. So it will be minus 10. Clear? LCM divided by denominator, that is 5 divided by 1 is 5 multiplied by numerator, that is minus 2. So minus 10, 5 divided by 5 is 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2. So this is equal to minus 10 plus 2, that is minus 8 by 5. Now see, in the first problem, this is a rational number. This is a rational number, so you can say belongs to Q. You can write belongs to Q. That means belongs to Q means it is a rational number. It belongs to the set of rational number. Moving into this problem, so you write 7 by minus 13. So that can be written as minus 7 by 13 plus minus 4 by 13. Now whether numerator or denominator is negative, the rational number is a negative rational number. So if you write this, so this will be equal to minus 7 by 13 plus minus 4 by 13. So LCM is 13. Same way I told you, if the denominator is same, so LCM you can write it as 13, then you need to write minus 7 minus 4, that is equal to minus 7 minus 4, same sign, so you need to add, so minus 11 by 13. Clear? Let us check this problem. Minus 4 by 9 plus, this is given in the mixed fraction, so we need to convert it to improper fraction. 13 into 2, 26. 26 plus 12. 26 plus 12. 38. 38 by 13. Clear? So LCM will be equal to 13 into 9. That is equal to 117. So you can write 117. Now see, LCM divided by denominator. 13 into 9 divided by 9 is equal to 13 into 4. That is equal to minus 52. Plus. Now 13 into 9 divided by 13. It is equal to 9. So 38 into 9. 38 into 9. So this is equal to 342. Now from 342, if you subtract minus 52, you will get 290. So 290 by 117. 290 by 117. So it will cancel with 9, check. 9. It will cancel with either 13 or 9. So whether it cancel with 13 or 9, no, so we leave it here. So answer is, or you can convert it into mixed fraction. So now we are going to discuss the next problem. It is given that evaluate, or it might be asked to you as simplify, or it can be given to you as add the following. So in either of the cases you need to simplify it. So now see, so first we apply the sign changes over this part. So we can say that this is equal to 5 by 9 plus of minus, that is minus 7 by 6. Now find out the LCM of 9 and 6. So LCM of 9 and 6 is 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 3 3 is 9 into 2, 18. So LCM of 9 and 6 is 18. So here we write 18. Now the next process is LCM divided by the denominator. So 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. Then you need to multiply with 5. So 2 5 is 10. Minus 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3 multiplied by 7, it is equal to 21. Clear? So this is equal to 10 minus 31. Now students, sometimes you commit the mistakes here. Now whenever there is opposite sign, you need to subtract. 31 minus 10 is equal to 21. Now which number magnitude wise I am asking? Forget about the sign. Magnitude wise 31 is bigger. So result will be minus 21 by 18. Now we need to check whether this can be further simplified or not. So now see, denominator and numerator both you can cancel with 3. So 3 6 ja 18, 3 7 ja 21. So your answer is minus 7 by 6. Your answer is minus 7 by 6. Now sometime we come across questions like, sir, can we write it in a mixed fraction? Can we write in a decimal fraction? My advice is, we are learning the chapter rational number. So let it be in the form of rational number only. No need to simplify. In some of the books, they have converted into mixed fraction. But my advice is, no need to convert it into mixed fraction. Let it be in the form of rational number only. Now, moving into the next is 5 by 9 plus 3 by minus 4. So first apply the sign changes. Same, 5 by 9 minus 3 by 4. Clear? Now LCM of 9 and 4 is equal to 36. 36. Now 36 divided by denominator, right? 36 divided by 9 is equal to 4 multiplied by 5. 4 5 are 20 minus 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9 multiplied by 3. 9 3 are 27. So this is equal to 20 minus 27 is equal to minus 7 by 36. Minus 7 by 36. Clear? So I repeat the process. Some of you have problem over there. So first find out the LCM of denominator. I am writing in short. Then you need to apply LCM divided by denominator. So you get some result. And then you need to multiply the result with numerator to get these factors. Clear? Again I am repeating this how I am going to apply here. So first 8 by 9 plus minus same way 5 by 12. Now we need to find out the LCM of denominator. So 9 and 12. 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12, 3 into 3 into 4. So LCM will be 3 3 are 9, 4 are 36. So LCM is 36. Now 36 divided by the denominator. 36 divided by 9, that is equal to 4, and then you need to multiply with numerator minus 8. So 4 8 are minus 32 minus 36 divided by 12, it is equal to 3 multiplied by minus 5, that is equal to minus 15. So this will be equal to same sign, so you need to add 3 1 4, that is minus 47 by 36. Clear? Same 1, this 1 can be written as 1 by 1. So LCM of, so this can be written as minus 4 by 9 plus 1 by 1. So LCM of 9 and 1 is 9. 9 divided by 9, it is equal to 1 multiplied by minus 4. So this is equal to minus 4. 9 divided by 1, it is equal to 9 multiplied by 1. So it is plus 9. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5 by 9. Clear? Now one example I am taking here. Suppose the question is given as 0 plus of minus 2 by 7. 0 plus of minus 2 by 7. So just write it as minus 2 by 7. Why? Because 0 is additive identity. So here we write, since 0 is additive identity. Clear? So no need to simplify, and so that just use the property. More and more you use the property, it will be better for your knowledge. Our next problem is evaluate or using appropriate properties of addition. Now, student, if you see this problem, you can simply apply the sign changes and then take the LCM of 7 and 9 and you can proceed. But this will be not your approach. You learn the properties of rational number. So my advice is use the properties of rational number. Now it will ease your calculation. Look at this sum. We'll take these two terms together. Basically, we are going to keep those two terms together, or those two or more than two terms together where denominators are same. Clear? Reason I'll explain you. So we'll keep, right, 3 by 7. I'll keep it this term plus of minus 11 by 7 plus minus 4 by 9 plus 7 by 9. See, the first thing you need to observe, I have not applied the sign changes anywhere, because question is given using appropriate properties of addition. So now if you see, I have interchanged their position. That means, suppose if it is A, it is B. So A plus B, I am writing as B plus A. That means here I am using commutative property. Here I am using the commutative property. Clear? Now, first we simplify these two terms together and these two terms together. Now I am coming to the point why I keep the same denominator terms together. Reason is, if you have the same denominator, then numerator you need to add or subtract as per the sum. So LCM is 7, 3 plus of minus 11. 3 plus of minus 11. Same here. Plus 9. Then you will get minus 4 plus 7. So this will be equal to 3 plus minus 3 minus 11. 3 minus 11 is minus 8 by 7 plus minus 4 plus 7, that is equal to 3 by 9. Clear? You can cancel out here. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. So this is equal to minus 8 by 7 plus 1 by 3. Clear? If you cancel here, what advantage you will get? Your calculation will be again going to be easier. So now 7 and 3 LCM is 21. Now the process I told you, LCM divided by denominator. 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. 3 multiplied by minus 8, it is equal to minus 24 plus 21 divided by 3, it is equal to 7 multiplied by 1, that is 7. So this will minus 24 plus 7 is equal to minus 17 by 21. Clear? Let us solve this one. So the first step, 5, 5, 7, 7. So here with these two terms I am going to apply the commutative property. So we'll write 4 by 5 plus minus 7 by 5 plus 11 by 7 plus minus 2 by 7. You might have one question, why I am not applying the sign changes? Commutative property is applicable only in case of addition. A plus B is equal to B plus A. It is only valid in case of an addition and multiplication. Here we are solving the addition. In subtraction, it is not valid. Commutative rule does not follow in case of a subtraction. So we are not going to apply the sign changes. Now, denominator same, so LCM is remains 5. So 4 plus of minus 7 plus 7, 11 plus of minus 2. Here we are using the commutative law, so here you can write using the commutative law. Clear? Now, 4 plus minus, 4 minus 7 is equal to minus 3 by 5 plus 11 plus minus 11 minus 2 is equal to 9 by 7. 5 7 ja, LCM is 35 here. LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 3 7 ja 21. So minus 21 plus 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. 5 into 9, that is equal to 45. So 45 minus 21 is 24 by 35. Now 35 divided by either 5 or 7. 24 divided by 2 or 4. So there is no common factor where you can cancel. So your answer is 24 by 35. Let us take another example. Now let us make some interactive classes with you. Now pause the video, try to solve these two problems, right? And then play it to check whether you have done it correctly or not. Clear? Meanwhile, let's solve this problem. First, 4 by 7 plus 0. It is equal to 4 by 7 because 0 is an additive identity. Additive identity means when it added with any other number or 0 is added with any other rational number, you will get the result as a rational number, same rational number. So we can write 4 by 7 plus 0 is equal to 4 by 7 plus of minus 8 by 9 plus of minus 13 by 7 plus of 17 by 9. Clear? Here you need to write the reason. Since 0 is additive identity, clear? Now the next is, right, we keep the same denominator term together. So 4 by 7 plus minus 13 by 7 plus minus 8 by 9 plus 17 by 9. That means if you see, these two numbers are interchanging their position. These two numbers are interchanging their position. So this is A plus B is equal to B plus A. That means here we are applying commutative property. Now, if you simplify, you will get 7 as LCM, 4 plus minus 13 plus 9 minus 8 plus 17. 4 minus 13 is equal to minus 9 by 7 plus 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. 9 by 9 is equal to 1. So LCM is 7 minus 9 and plus 7. So this is equal to minus 2 by 7. Is it clear to you? Since I have explained all the calculations separately, so I am not explaining. If you have problem, go back to particular sum and check the process. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, total 6 terms. So what we do? We keep these two terms together. Reason? Same denominator. We'll keep these two terms together. Again, 12 and 12. Now see, I have not cancelled 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12. Because I first take the advantage of same denominator, then your addition or subtraction will be easier, and these two terms together. So let's begin the sum. So 3 by 8 plus of minus 5 by 8 plus minus 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 plus 3 by 12 plus 3 by 7 plus of minus 2 by 7. And one thing again I am reminding you, I have not applied sign changes. I stick to the point that we are using the properties of addition in case of a rational number. 8, 3 minus of 5 plus minus of 5 plus 12 minus 5 plus 3 plus 7, 3 plus of minus 2. See, if the denominator is same, only you need to add or subtract the numerator. That is the advantage of keeping the same denominator terms together. So this is equal to minus 2 by 8 plus this is equal to minus 2 by 12 and this is equal to 1 by 7. Check. Anyone have doubt? 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Minus 5 plus 3 is equal to minus 2 and 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Now, as denominator are different, now you can cancel. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12. So we get minus 1 by 4 plus minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 7. Now find out the LCM of 4, 6, 7. 4, 6, 7. 2, 2 ja 2, 3 ja 7. Now so LCM is 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 7 ja 84. So LCM is 84. Now the process is LCM, that is 84 divided by 4, that is equal to 21. So minus 21. 84 divided by 6, it is equal to 14 multiplied by 1, that is 14 only, plus 84 divided by 7, 12, 12 7 84, so it is equal to 12. So minus 21 minus 14 plus 12, it is equal to minus 2 by 84. So this is equal to minus 23 by 84. So your answer is minus 23 by 84. Or in other way, Since these two are of the same sign, so you can add together and subtract with 12. So calculation part, you can try different way, the way you are comfortable with. Clear? Let us begin a new problem. For each pair of rational numbers are given, we need to verify commutative property. Commutative property means A plus B is equal to B plus A of addition of rational number. We need to verify the commutative law. Now, so how you present the problem? By the time you understand, you need to add these two in one order, and then you need to find the addition in the reverse order. But how you are going to present the sum? So you need to write to prove commutative property we have to prove, what you need to, this plus this, that is 2 by minus 5 plus 11 by minus 15 is equal to 11 by minus 15 plus 2 by minus 5. If you can solve this, that means addition of these two is equal to addition of these two. Commutative means the order will be changed. First term plus second term is equal to, now in the second time, the second term will become the first term. So we'll first find out this one. So we'll write left hand side. So 2 by minus 5 plus 11 by minus 15. So this is equal to minus 2 by 5 plus of minus 11 by 15. 5 and 15 LCM will be 15. 5 and 15 LCM will be 15. 15 divided by 5 is 3, multiplied by minus 2 is equal to minus 6. 15 divided by 15 is 1, so minus 11. So this will be minus 17 by 15. Clear? Then we'll take the right hand side. 11 by minus 15 plus 2 by minus 5. Again apply the sign changes. So it will be minus 11 by 15 minus 2 by 5. LCM 15. 15 divided by 15 is 1, multiplied by minus 11. So minus 11 minus 15 divided by 5 is 3, multiplied by 2 is 6. So you will get minus 17 by 15. Now see, these two are same, but we have taken the different way. Suppose this is A and this is B. So first time we are showing A plus B, and second time we are showing B A, because this is B, so B plus A. So therefore commutative property verified. Commutative property verified. Now let us discuss this problem. Again we need to verify the commutative property only. So we write, or you can write in short also, we have to show. You can write as we have to show minus 2 minus 5 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 plus of minus 2 minus 5. Now one thing you need to, don't cancel now. Once you are going to simplify, then cancel it. First write the result, because the question is important about whether you know the commutative property or not. So first we'll simplify this. Minus 2 by minus 5 plus 1 by 3. So this is minus and minus will get cancelled. So 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3. 5 and 3 LCM is 15. 15 LCM divided by denominator. 15 divided by 5 is 3 multiplied by 2. It is equal to 6 plus 15 divided by 5. 3 is equal to 5. So it is equal to 11 by 15. Moving into the next part, that is 1 by 3 plus minus 2 minus 5. So this is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5. This minus will cancel. LCM is 15. 3 and 5 LCM 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5 multiplied by 1. So 5 into 1, 5. Plus 15 divided by 5 is 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. So it is 11 by 15. So you can write commutative property verified. Let us discuss this problem. For each set of rational numbers given below, verify associative property of addition of rational number. So what is associative property? A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Now what does it mean? I already explained in the last part, but still that means first add these two numbers and with the result you need to add the third one. Clear? It is equal to A plus B plus C. That means add first these two and then with the result add 1. A. Now this means that in case of addition, which two number you are adding first, it irrelevant. So now we need to prove the associative property for this set of rational number. That means we need to show that minus 7 by 9 plus 2 by minus 3 plus minus 5 by 18 is equal to. Clear? These two terms in one bracket, third term will outside the bracket. Now what we'll do? We'll apply the bracket on this part. That means minus 7 by 9 will be this time outside plus 2 by minus 3 plus of minus 5 by 18. So if we show that the result of this is equal to the result of this, so we can say that, we can conclude that the associative property verified. So let us begin to simplify this one. So minus 7 by 9 plus of 2 by minus 3 plus minus 5 by 18. So this is equal to. So first we need to simplify these two. So it will be equal to minus 7 by 9 plus of minus 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 18. Clear? Plus minus plus minus. We apply the sign changes. 3 and 9. LCM is 9. You can find LCM of 3 and 9. You will get the LCM as 9. So again I am repeating the process. 9 divided by 9, it is equal to 1 multiplied by minus 7. So it is equal to minus 7. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by minus 2. 3 into 2, it is equal to 6. Minus 5 by 18. So minus 7 minus 6, it is equal to minus 13 by 9. minus 5 by 18. 9 and 18 LCM will be equal to 18. 18 divided by 9, it is equal to 2 multiplied by minus 13. So you will get minus 26 minus 18 divided by 18 is 1. So you will get minus 5. So you will get minus 31 by 18. So result is minus 31 by 18. Check. Now we'll take the another part. So minus 7 by 9 plus 2 by minus 3 plus minus 5 by 18. So this will be equal to minus 7 by 9 plus this is equal to minus 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 18. Now LCM of 3 and 18 is 18. So you write minus 7 by 9 plus 3 and 18 LCM is 18. 18 divided by 3, it is equal to 6 multiplied by minus 2. 6 to the 12. So you get minus 12. 18 divided by 18 is 1 multiplied by minus 5. So it is equal to minus 5. So you get minus 7 by 9 minus 17 by 18. Now 9 and 18 LCM is 18. So 18 divided by 9 is 2 multiplied by 7. So it will be equal to minus 14 minus 17. So this is equal to minus 14 minus 17 is equal to minus 31 by 18. See, both the results are same. So we can conclude that associative property verified. Clear? So at the end we can say that associative property verified. Now next is write the additive inverse of or negative of. Additive inverse means it is a negative of a rational number. If you watch my first part where I explain the inverse, additive inverse means negative of a rational number. Now what is your approach to find out? Now you can say, okay, minus 3 by 8. So negative of a rational number. So minus 3 by 8. So sometime I have seen students solve this problem as minus of minus 3 by 8 is equal to 3 by 8. Can you say that minus 3 by 8 is equal to 3 by 8? No. Now see, the thinking is correct. The only problem with the presentation. So how you are going to solve the problem? There are two ways you can solve this problem. Suppose if it is only for 1 marks, so we can write additive, you need to write as additive inverse of minus 3 by 8 is equal to minus of minus 3 by 8. Negative of a rational number, this is equal to 3 by 8. You cannot write minus 3 by 8 is equal to 3 by 8. Now see, it represents the presentation part. So I am writing additive inverse of minus 3 by 8 is equal to negative of a rational number, that is minus of minus 3 by 8, it is equal to 3 by 8. Same way you can write additive inverse of 4 by minus 9 is equal to minus of 4 by minus 9. So this is equal to 4 by 9. Same way additive inverse of, now say, minus 4 by minus 13. So first simplify it. Cancel out the negative from the numerator and denominator. So it is 4 by 13. So you can say minus of 4 by 13. So this is equal to minus 4 by 13. Additive inverse of 0. Negative of 0. It doesn't mean because positive or negative. 0 is, you can write 0, additive inverse of 0 is 0 only. So this is one approach. Or I am solving one sum for you. Let x be the additive inverse. Additive inverse. So you can say minus 3 by 8 plus x. Now if you remember, the result is a plus of minus a is equal to 0. That means once you add a rational number with its additive inverse, the result is additive identity. Clear? So minus 3 by 8 plus x is equal to 0. So we can say x is equal to this minus 3 by 8. Once it change the sign, it will become plus 3 by 8. So you will get x is equal to 3 by 8. That means you can write therefore additive inverse of minus 3 by 8 is 3 by 8. So it is the entire process, or you can solve it in this way also. Clear? Before I conclude this part, let us solve some fill in the blanks, which is a conceptual questions, and it is very beneficial to recap the concept. Minus 4 by 9 plus 2 by 7. Now see, this is a rational number, this is a rational number. So addition of two rational number is, so your answer is a rational number. Now 43 by 89 plus of minus 51 by 47 is equal to, now this is given as 43 by 89, that means this part. So a plus b is equal to b plus a, that means it is based on commutative property. So here we write minus 51 by 47. So this is based on, for your reference, commutative property. This is based on closure property. This will be 0. In rational number added with additive identity, the result is that particular rational number. So 0 by 2 by 7. Number added with its inverse, the result will be 0. So here number added with its inverse. Inverse means negative of a number. So, and these two numbers are said to be inverse of each other. So minus 5 by 9 is given. So we need to write 5 by 9. Additive inverse of minus 5 by minus 12. So this is equal to 5 by 12. So additive inverse is minus 5 by 12. A number plus its additive inverse, the result is 0. If a by b is a additive inverse of minus c by d, then minus c by d is additive inverse of a by b. Because a plus of minus a is equal to 0, then a is said to be the additive inverse of minus a, and minus a is said to be the additive inverse of a. So in the next part I am going to discuss problem based on subtraction of rational numbers. Clear? Till then, it's goodbye.